Hi my Donnas, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk to you about the membership that I was talking to. I did a video earlier over a week ago letting you know that the complimentary cruise that I got and everyone that is a part of the company that I signed up, they got that complimentary cruise, except somebody that signed up today. So I decided that I want to share this with you. So the complimentary cruise has cut off last week, which was which date that was? Let me look it up. Last week, Monday. That was, no, it's on the 7th, June 7th. So before, when you signed up, you get a complimentary cruise and your membership is only for $100. There is no monthly fee, and that give you a VIP link. Is every year that you renew your membership, you get a 7-night vacation stay. So anywhere around the world, if you decided to sign up today, next year, June, July or August, you could get that vacation stay. So, but you gotta pay the taxes for that. Alright, so listen to me now. They changed that, so you don't get the complimentary cruise anymore. You get the VIP link, and every year when you renew, you get that 7-night vacation stay. So say for instance that you travel once per year. When you get that VIP link, you could use it. It's like a Costco membership. You can't really book ticket on there for other people. That is just your VIP membership. If you're gonna plan a trip with you and your immediate family, then you could book the ticket there. You could book the vacation stay there, and you get it for a cheaper rate. I have seen a lot of cheaper rate that I could save $300 and something on one trip. So if you're gonna buy the membership for just $100, you can't lose. If you're traveling like my daughter every month, she can save a lot of money from that VIP link. She have the membership. But what I'm saying is that if you only travel once per year, when you're gonna renew next year, you're going to get that 7-night vacation stay. Okay? Where as soon as you renew tonight, tomorrow, it will be in your email, so you could schedule to go. So if you signed up now and next year is your birthday and you want to save on your trip, you could use that 7-night vacation stay anywhere around the world. All right, so you get that for the $100 to be a member. That VIP link and the 7-night every year when you renew, you get that 7-night vacation stay. The new policy that they have now, because you know in a company things change and upgrade. So this is what they do. If you want to be an affiliate, you can sign up for an extra $100, so that you would spend $200 for the affiliate, the membership and the affiliate. So when you just signed up with the affiliate program, you get a 7-night vacation stay right away. The minute you signed up, you're gonna get that complimentary email in your email saying you get a 7-night vacation stay. So you're gonna spend $200 for the membership, $100 for the membership, $100 for the affiliate program, and right away you get that 7-night vacation stay. And the instruction is going to be in your email where you follow the prompts and book your stay. I get one of those the other day. When I signed up 3 people in less than 7 days, I get that. I get that vacation stay. But they also said if you sign up 3 people in the first 7 days, you're going to still get another vacation put on the 7 night that you already get. The only thing you have to do is to pay the taxes for those. You have to pay the taxes for those. And it's going to a Dominican Republic or Cancun. Or Madonna, you don't want to miss that Cancun trip, aren't you? Did you see how did you see how I enjoy myself in Cancun? I'm going back next year because I been getting a lot of trips to go to Cancun. All right, so I have signed up a couple of people well since I started, and they become a member. I have some affiliates too. So if you want to join us, let me know. Okay, I will guide you and walk you through the prompts. I have people that you can talk to. The manager for the company, if you want to talk to them or stuff like that, if you want to know more, I could get you on a call with somebody who could educate you more about it. So it's not just, you know, you don't have to just go through me. They have a WhatsApp group. Once you become a member, if you want to be added in that group as an affiliate, you can learn more. They post when they're having their parties, they're having their meetings and stuff forth like that. Once you are an affiliate, you get that. But when you're a Happy Travel, I think they have also have a group that is the Happy Travel. If you want to join that and people sharing their trips and stuff forth in that, you could always join. Just let me know if you want to join those group as well. But that is the good news I have to tell you today. If you want to be an affiliate right away, as soon as you get your membership, you sign up for the affiliate program. You can't wait till after 7 days. You gotta lock your spot into the affiliate program. Yeah, and that give you that 7-night vacation stay right away. So if you want to go on the trip next month or the other month, you have that 7-night vacation stay to go on. And if you have 3 members in the first 7 days, you get another one going to Cancun, or I think both of those, one is going to Dominican and one is going to, I don't remember where they are going, but they give you a specific country that you can go with that. So if you're in the US or if you're in the island, you can able to go to Cancun. It's not like it's not like you need a visa to go to Cancun. If you're in the island and you purchase this membership and affiliate program, you get the opportunity to go to Cancun. You just need to pay your taxes for the trip that you're going on. You have to pay the taxes, but you get the stay, you know, which is good. That's what they did to me the other day, and my taxes was $70 for the 5 day 4 nights. It was $70 I paid, $70 US for my taxes that I paid when I went to Cancun just the other day. But anyway, guys, tell me what you all think. If you're interested, please feel free to contact me. Okay, inbox me on my Facebook, Donna Marie. I have Donna Orton. Well, let me tell you, Donna B Life. You could put Donna B Life on Facebook, or you could put Donna Marie. Yeah, either one of them. You could find me on Facebook and Instagram too, Donna B Life. And then we could share numbers and we could communicate. Okay, so if you want to know more, feel free to reach out. God bless you guys and be safe. You know, I'm not telling you any bull, right? I'm speaking facts. I'm speaking what I know. I speak what I experience, and I know what I'm talking about. Adios.